Alright, you guys, hold on. Alright, it's widest. This video, I basically did a pushback, okay? I pushed my man way back, like here, okay? Sometimes you gotta push back. Sometimes you gotta give a professional pushback, and yeah, I did just that. If not, your man would have been having a lineup right here, okay? Little bitty box right here. Sometimes you gotta take it back to the lineup, to the eyebrow, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta do that, and I'm gonna teach you how it's done, all right? It's a professional pushback video. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so before you start cutting, what you want to do is comb the hair out first and brush the hair down. Lay that hair in place because you want to start on a neat canvas. Plus, this gives you a chance to check for any cowlicks and just to put your client at ease, letting him know that you know which direction his hair is going in wave-wise. So my client wanted to cut it down on top. He wanted a 1.5. So I went and grabbed my 1 guard with the lever open using my Andis Masters, and I'm going with the grain of my client's pattern. The same way I combed and brushed is the same way I'm using that clipper to glide through the hair. So my client wanted a high bald taper, so I went ahead and grabbed my Babyliss FX trimmers, and I'm setting in my bald line basically in like a rainbow-like shape because I want to add some curvature to the blend. I don't want it to be just a straight regular high taper. I want to actually, you know, add some uniqueness to my blend. Next, with my cordless fast feeds, I'm gonna build on that bottom line that I set in, and I'm gonna go up about a 1/2 inch with the lever open. Also, you wanna keep this in mind that going against the grain is not always up and down motion. Sometimes you're gonna have to go to side depending on the way the hair grows. Next guideline I'm going to set in is with the 1 guard with the lever open, going up about a 1/2 inch. Now putting on the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm just basically debulking at the top, not really setting in a guideline, just making sure that everything runs smoothly into the 1.5 on top. Now putting back on my 1 guard with the lever open, I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Now working my way back down, what I like to do is go back with the 1 guard with the lever fully closed and kind of just, you know, soften up that middle line. This makes it easier for you to come behind it with the next step. Next, with the zero guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. It's gonna be a lot more easier to take it out because you softened it up with the one guard closed. With the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Now, if you wanna basically take baby steps, what you can do is open the lever halfway, soften up the bottom line, and then go fully closed and take out the bottom line that way. But for me, I just dive right in using my corners only and basically just flicking out against the grain. So last thing you want to do is detail. Detailing sets you apart from just having a basic average blend. All right, what I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. So make sure you utilize your mirror as much as possible. Go in with your corners, detail those areas where you see bulk, basically using your clippers as thinning shears. Alright you guys, so before I attack the front line, I always like to start in the middle, and I like to start at the highest peak. Alright, when you have a client that has hair all over their foreheads, you want to start right here where that red line is. Okay, with this type of client, you don't want to give a natural lineup because it's going to make his forehead look really small, and it's just going to be a weird lineup in general. So when it comes to the vertical bar, when given a professional pushback, you do not want to go past the eyebrow. All right, that is a technical foul. Okay, do not go past the eyebrow. So I'm going to try to keep it as natural as possible when it comes to the vertical bar at the red line. Okay, so that's how I do my vertical bars. I basically judge it off of the eyebrow. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. chip.